welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but bear with me. And today we're going to do lashes. So you can see my eyes. I don't have any lashes with me. Shout out to J Empire first of all, and subscribe to the channel please. I'm using these lashes. I bought them from you can see it's a natural, they're all natural lashes. This is 10 millimeters old, and I'm gonna use the glue that I'm using. Yeah, I also bought it in Dubai, and this glue is actually for less sensitive eyes, and I can also put them and they can last for me. Normally when I do this glue, it lasts for around like 3 weeks or so. Yeah, so I forgot my tweezer unfortunately in the salon because I'm shooting this video from the house, and I'm just going to use the normal tweezer. So I forgot my lash tweezer, so we're going to do with this. So anything you can have, you can sew. So let's start it.
Got my empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.